Have you ever wondered how a tiny fish caught in the dark of night transforms into a culinary sensation enjoyed around the world? Today, we're uncovering the secret life of anchovies and their journey to becoming the rich, umami-packed sauce that chefs and food lovers swear by. Join us as we dive deep into the world of flavors, where tradition meets innovation, and discover the story behind every bottle of your favorite anchovy sauce. This is not just about a condiment. It's about a legacy that travels from the sea to your dinner table. Anchovy sauce boasts a rich history, tracing back to ancient civilizations. It was more than just a condiment in Roman cuisine. It was a culinary treasure, cherished for its unique flavor and versatility. This sauce, often called garum in ancient Rome, played a vital role in their diet and was believed to have medicinal properties. Fast forward to today, and it continues to be a staple in many cultures, a testament to its enduring appeal. But what exactly are anchovies? These are small saltwater fish, known for their bold and intense flavor. Beyond their taste, anchovies are nutritional powerhouses. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. They also provide a good source of protein, calcium, and vitamins like vitamin D and B12. This nutritional profile makes them not just a flavorful addition to dishes, but also a healthy one. The journey of anchovy sauce starts with the precise harvesting of anchovies, often in the springtime. This season is chosen strategically as it's when anchovies are most abundant and at their peak quality. The process of crafting anchovy sauce begins under the moonlit sky as fishermen set out on their nocturnal journeys. Nighttime is a strategic choice for harvesting anchovies. Under the cover of darkness, these fish rise closer to the ocean's surface, making them easier to catch in larger numbers. This practice, steeped in tradition, is not just about efficiency. It also reflects a deep understanding of the anchovy's natural habits. But let's not forget the importance of where these anchovies are caught. Globally, certain coastlines are renowned for their rich anchovy populations. The Mediterranean Sea, for instance, is a historic and bountiful source, providing anchovies that are known for their exceptional flavor and texture. Similarly, the Pacific coasts of Peru and Chile are distinguished by their massive anchovy schools, a result of the nutrient-rich waters of the Humboldt Current. These regions are not just fishing grounds. They are hubs of cultural and culinary heritage, influencing local cuisines and economies significantly. As day breaks and the boats return, the race against time to preserve the freshness of these night-harvested anchovies begins. Their journey leads us to the factory, where the emphasis on quality and freshness reaches its zenith. Here, every batch of anchovies is scrutinized with great care, ensuring that only the finest are selected for the sauce-making process. Upon arrival at the factory, the focus on quality and freshness intensifies. Here, each batch of anchovies is carefully inspected. This meticulous process isn't just about selecting the best fish. It's a commitment to consistency and excellence. The chosen anchovies are then prepared for the next crucial stage, cleaning and processing. This step is about more than just cleanliness. It's about preserving the natural oils and flavors that give anchovy sauce its distinctive character. Next, the anchovies are layered with sea salt in large barrels, marking the beginning of their fermentation journey. This isn't just any salt, but often a specific type of sea salt that complements the natural flavors of the fish. The aging process, which can span from several months to years, is a testament to the art of patience and precision in culinary crafts. During this time, a natural breakdown of the fish proteins occurs, a process that is both biological and chemical in nature. This transformation is critical. It's what develops the sauce's unique deep flavor, rich in umami, and loved by culinary enthusiasts around the world. Each barrel over time becomes a treasure trove of flavor, culminating in a sauce that's both a culinary ingredient and a piece of history. After the anchovies have spent months, sometimes years, in fermentation, the next step is both delicate and crucial. The fermented fish are gently pressed, a process that requires care to extract the flavorful liquid without crushing the fish too much. This liquid, rich in taste and aroma, forms the base of our anchovy sauce. But it's not quite ready yet. It undergoes a refining process where impurities are removed, leaving a clear, potent liquid. Then comes the seasoning, a critical stage where the sauce is balanced and perfected, often with a blend of natural spices and herbs that enhance its savory depth. Quality control is the cornerstone in the making of anchovy sauce. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing, which is more than just a taste test. It involves checking for flavor consistency, nutritional value, and adherence to safety standards. This ensures that every bottle of anchovy sauce not only tastes great, but is also safe and nutritious. After passing rigorous quality checks, the anchovy sauce moves to bottling and packaging, where preserving its rich flavor is paramount. Specialized bottles shield the sauce from light and air, maintaining its taste and aroma. Carefully packaged, each bottle is prepared for its global journey. From our factory to your table, we ensure the sauce arrives in perfect condition. Ready to enhance dishes worldwide, it's shipped to stores everywhere. And let's talk about versatility. Anchovy sauce is a culinary chameleon. It's a favorite in dressings, adding a punch of flavor to salads. On pizzas, it melds beautifully with other toppings. And in classic pasta dishes, it provides a depth of umami that's simply irresistible. This umami-rich flavor is key. It's what makes anchovy sauce a secret weapon in kitchens around the world. It enhances and elevates a wide range of recipes, making it a beloved ingredient for chefs and home cooks alike. So that's the journey of anchovies from the sea to the sauce. It's a blend of tradition, culinary art, and careful craftsmanship. We hope you enjoyed this savory exploration. Thank you for joining us today. If you loved learning about the art of making anchovy sauce, hit the like button, subscribe for more delicious content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the flavors of the world.